County in northeast Illinois, northern Kane County in northeast Illinois, southwestern Lake County in northeast Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeast Illinois, until 6 o'clock p.m. At 5:09 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Elgin and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Sleepy Hollow around 5:20 p.m. West Dundee and East Dundee around 5:25 p.m. Carpentersville and Algonquin around 5:30 p.m. Barrington around 5:45 p.m. Oakwood Hills around 5:50 p.m. Tower Lakes, Island Lake, Lake York and Kildare around 5:55 p.m. Wakanda, Hawthorne Woods and Forest Lake around 6 o'clock p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Barrington Hills, Cary, Fox River Grove, Lake Barrington, Deer Park, Fox River Valley Gardens and North Barrington. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service.
Which would be an all-time.
So we're pretty much going to sit right here and wait for the TV EAS to come on, which I've seen several times today.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cook County in northeast Illinois, northern Kane County in northeast Illinois, southwestern Lake County in northeast Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeast Illinois, until 6 o'clock p.m. At 5:09 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Elgin and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Sleepy Hollow around 5:20 p.m. West Dundee and East Dundee around 5:25 p.m. Carpentersville and Algonquin around 5:30 p.m. Barrington around 5:45 p.m. Oakwood Hills around 5:50 p.m. Tower Lakes, Island Lake, Lake York and Kildare around 5:55 p.m. Wakanda, Hawthorne Woods and Forest Lake around 6 o'clock p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Barrington Hills, Cary, Fox River Grove, Lake Barrington, Deer Park, Fox River Valley Gardens and North Barrington. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
Sarah Tams is a financial planner.